A quick one, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on split screen on two different Android. So if you are using Redmi Note or all these Xiaomi Redmi version, you'll be able to turn on split screen on it. And if you're using Techno, Infinix, Oppo, and other Android devices, you'll be able to turn on split screen on it using this particular Oppo as a standalone example. And also, I'll also show you how to enable split screen on Samsung. So the process to enable split screen on Samsung is a bit different from how you can turn on the split screen on your Xiaomi Redmi brand, Oppo, Infinix, and other popular brands of Android. And also, I'll show you how you can easily enable split screen on your iPhone. So to start with, let's go with the Redmi. So if you want to turn on split screen on your Redmi, the first thing you want to do is you want to unlock your Redmi phone. To click on this button, this menu button, to pop up all open tabs on your Redmi. So these are open tabs on my Redmi. Now, the split screen goes thus. Just locate the browser or the tabs in which you want to enable split screen on, then press and hold it, press and hold. Once you press and hold it, you see three options comes up, and the first option means split screen. And this second option is more like the picture in, picture out on iPhone. Then click on this split screen. Then once that is selected, you need to go again to select the second app you want to use with split screen. You see this? So this is it. So this is the first screen and this is the second split screen. So your Android screen now is not divided into two and you are multitask on it. If you take a look at ease, you should see this three button here. So these lines here allows you to adjust your split screen on your Redmi. So if you press and hold this, you see this, you'll be able to adjust the Redmi. So this is applicable on all devices that support using split screen without application, but you will not see a line just like this. It may be dots. So for the case of Redmi Xiaomi brand, to turn on split screen, you just need to do this. Now to close your split screen is not magic. If you click on this, it's going to close straight away. And if you click on this again, you can still open the split screen tab. So if you tap this, you can still go to somewhere X on your Redmi and then go back to the split screen again by clicking on that and select the split screen tabs. Now to close these tabs, all you just need to do is press and hold this middle button and then swipe down until it closes, and then there you go. So this is how to enable split screen on Xiaomi, that is Redmi. And now let's go to other Android devices. So here I'm going to use Oppo Reno 5. So this is my favorite Android phone. It is rugged and the battery is massive. So this is not about phone review and I'm not going to do anything of such in this video. I just want to tell you how to get the best out of your Android phone using split screen. Now to enable split screen on your Oppo devices, this is all you need to do. Make sure you enable the menu. So in this case, for the gesture menu, just enable this and make sure this comes up. So let me open more tabs. Let's say I open Facebook, or let me go ahead and open Bible. Let me open calculator, and then let me also open one more tab so that we have multiple tabs. Let me open Chrome, and now I just need to switch off this to access the menu. Now to enable split screen on this Oppo device is quite easy. This is all you need to do. There is a three dot at the top of each of the opened application you see here. These three dots. Now, if the application supports split screen, you should see an option to create split screen. And if it does not support it, this split screen function will not be featured. And let's go ahead with Home. Click on the three dots, and then you see there is split screen. So with this, I can split screen on Chrome. If I come to calculator again, you can see I have split screen. Then come to Bible, there is split screen, and this is Facebook, there is split screen, right? And now this is Gmail, there is split screen. If any of this application does not support split screen, you'll see that split screen feature would not be available. Now, to enable split screen here, all you need to do is click on the three dot on the application that you want to enable split screen on. Yes, and tap split screen. Once you tap split screen, this is what you're going to see first. Now go ahead now and search for the other device you want to use alongside with the opened application to use split screen. So here I'm going to open LinkedIn. So let's say I open LinkedIn. You can see this automatically adjusted itself, and I can use split screen with LinkedIn and my browser here. So I can just come here, search for anything I want. Let's say I visit gadget, right? So this is how it's going to look. And here I can just come back here, switch back here, then enable split screen again, three dot, split screen, then locate another app that you would love to open, let's say my Bible, and this is how it is. So you can just check through this on how to open split screen on Oppo Reno 5 and other possible Android devices. So let's go to how to open or enable split screen on iPhone. Literally, there is no split screen feature on iPhone. What you have on iPhone is called the picture in picture feature, and this will allows you to maybe watch videos and at the same time use FaceTime or other third-party application. And this is how to enable picture in picture on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings, make sure you click on general, and you want to take note of this. Before you can use the picture in picture on iPhone, you want to make sure you are running on the latest software update. So I advise you always check if there is an update available for your device, and this depends on the type of device you are using. If you are using anything iOS 17 or 16, you should be able to use the picture in picture on iPhone. Now let's go back. Once you are in general, you need to scroll down until you get to picture in picture. Turn on that, and there is a feature to start PIP automatically. Then make sure you turn on this feature. If this is not turned on, tap on turned on. So once this is turned on, you can use picture in picture on your iPhone, and this is how this works. You can be using your FaceTime application and at the same time use picture in picture on. So once that is turned on, you should be able to use picture in picture on iPhone, which is similar to split screen on Android, and this enables you or allows you to multitask on your Android phone. So guys, this is how to turn on or enable split screen on Android and on iPhone. If this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button. Of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.